In this video, I'm going to show you how to free storage space on your Google account. So all you need to do is go and open up an internet browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You then need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select Manage your Google account. Now, if you scroll down, you should see an option here for account storage. Now, if you don't see this, you can also use the search box and then you can just go and search for the word storage and you can click on account storage from here. Now, once you're on this page, it will tell you how much space that you currently have left. And you can actually go and click on this storage button here and you can see it will give you a breakdown of exactly where your storage is being used. So for me, most of my storage is being used on the Google Drive and also Google Photos as well. So these are typically the two most common places that take up the most amount of storage. So what you need to do is scroll up to the top and click on Clean Up Space. And then you need to scroll down to Clean Up Suggested Items. And you effectively just need to go through all of the different recommendations here to try and clean up some space on your Google Drive. So for example, I can click on Review next to Large Drive Files, and you can see that this has ordered the files by which ones are taking up the most amount of storage space first. And then you can just simply select the files that you want to remove from your drive, and then you can just press delete in order to get back that space. Now you can also do the same thing for your photos as well. So where it says large photos and videos, if I click on Review, this is all of the media that I have stored in Google Photos, so I could just go ahead and remove and delete some videos in order to free up some space. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.